decided to film a video for you. I got here yesterday, but I didn't think of filming a video until today. Sorry, the room is a little messy. Nat just flew in yesterday night, so we're trying to plan our day for today. We're thinking about going to Melrose. I know on Sundays here they have a flea market going on, so we're gonna check that out, and on the rest of the trip I'm gonna create like a vlog, so I'll bring you around to each location and show you guys some of my outfits. So yeah, stay tuned. So even though the room's super messy, I want to show you guys the bathtub because it's so cute. So we are all ready for the day. We're gonna head out now and we're so excited. So here we go. Day one. We're at Melrose now, and they just have like the cutest little shops everywhere. There's like a lot of like vintage stores, like a bunch of different furniture pieces. It's just like basically like a little market. I'm trying to, I'll show you guys some clips of it, but it's really cute here. Hey everyone, so we just got to LACMA. It's this really cool trademark that's here. It's basically like a bunch of light posts that are all set up, and it's a pretty popular place for Instagram. I know a lot of people take pictures here, so me and Nat are gonna try and see if we can take a cool picture, but I don't know, it's pretty sick. I'll take some more clips of it for you guys to see. So hey, I didn't end up vlogging the rest of the night yesterday, but we just ended up going for sushi. We tried this place called Sugarfish. Yeah, I don't think we have it in Canada, but it was super good. And it's really nice out today. I think it's like 30 degrees here in LA, so we're just gonna hang out by the pool. Also, my brother just got downtown, yeah, I guess this is downtown. He just got here last night too, and then we have his show tonight, so we're really excited for that. Summer, crazy winter, someplace better.